Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes printer offline problem in Windows 10, 11 fix in minutes. Right-click Start button, click Run, type Shell Calan Printers folder. Change default printer. Right-click Printer, select Use Printer Online. Open Services. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.